Grand awakening, Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance, prosperity, and magic all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. It's been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special things there for you. Book a massage with me. Check out the NFTs, the music. Check out the ebooks, great products. Your word of the day is gratitude is an attitude. You are ready. You are primed. You've done all the work. All you have to do is stay positive and be thankful, because when you praise in the dark, we know you're going to praise in the light. When you're thankful, when you live in a shed, when you're living on the couch, when you're living on the floor, we know that you're going to praise and be thankful when you go to the mansion. We have the acres of land, what you're asking for. Gratitude is the attitude, and that's what's going to expedite to your blessings right now. That's what you need to do. When you are your happiest, when you're on vacation, when you are doing the things that you truly love to do, is a certain energy of glee. You're not worrying about the what ifs. You're not worrying about if you measure up. You're not worried about if I have enough money in my pocket. The times when you do have that much money in your pocket, the time that you do go on vacation, you have no worries or doubt. That's the energy you need to cling onto every day, 24/7. As if you have everything, as if you're on vacation every day of your life. Be grateful, because you're naturally grateful. You're grateful to be on vacation. You're grateful to be in another place. You're grateful to have a break. Be grateful even when you're at work. Be grateful on a regular daily basis. Therefore, the blessings that's coming to you are going to continue to rain. Great opportunities are going to rain your way. Stay control. You're in control of your life. Gratitude is an attitude. Love one another. Be kind to one another. I'm aware of the light that's in my life, and I direct my thoughts to the beauty in and around me. I give thanks to God and every little thing that brings me joy. Thus, I enlighten my thoughts. Riches surround me, surrounding you. I appreciate all that life brings you, which is your blessings, riches, prosperity, because you've worked very hard. But gratitude is an attitude. It cannot go to a sourpuss. It's got to go to a thankful person, a thankful spirit before it even lands. It has to navigate to you. So put out that vibration of thanks, of gratitude, and watch how your blessings are attracted to you and find their way to you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.